Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Carriage Place by Capital Vacations. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, non-smoking rooms, free Wi-Fi, family rooms and a free parking. This Branson property is 1 block from the Titanic Museum and Stonehill Winery. It offers apartments with full kitchens, whirlpool bathtubs and laundry facilities. Guests of Carriage Place can enjoy the outdoor swimming pool, tennis courts and a gym. A 24-hour front desk is available. Each apartment at the Carriage offers a private deck and air conditioning. Whitewater Theme Park and the Hollywood Wax Museum are within 1 mile of the Carriage Place. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.